Today, I'm going to show you how you can create your own animations and animate them using AI completely free. So when I started using this tool and it said it was free, I thought there'd be long wait periods in between. It is relatively quick. So in just a couple of minutes, we can generate an image and then animate it to however we want. It works really well with cartoons, so let me show you. I'll have a link in the description below, but this one is called Animon, and as you can see here, as we scroll down, they have the Explore tab, and they have all sorts of different ones. So we can see the animated log playing, or this guy here with his sword. We have some mice on some pizza. So you can see all the different things that are going on. So we're going to come back here for a second. I'm just going to generate an image real quick. Generate a cartoon image of a penguin playing a guitar. So you can use any image generator, or maybe you have your own image already. So we're just going to generate this image real quick, and then we are going to animate it, and then I'm going to go back and show you some of the other things that it can do, or the ones that I have made myself. So here's our penguin playing a guitar. I'm just going to download this real fast. We're going to come back. We're going to go to create. On the create page, we see the penguin here. We have the penguin is happy as it's playing the guitar. They have this little thing here where it'll enhance the prompt, and it has one model. If you want to generate two at a time, that's a paid feature, but the free one, we're going to hit generate, and you're going to see it is pretty quick, all considering that this is completely free. So you're going to see pending, and it says, hey, please check back later for the results. But you don't have to wait that long. Before I jump in and show you the rest that this tool can do, just a quick reminder to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the latest AI tools, news, and everything else that revolves around AI. It's free to do, just go click the subscribe button. Let's continue. So let me show you some of the other ones that I have created. So we have this little ice cream cone here, and we have it dripping. So it says, make the ice cream look like it's melting in the hot sunny day, and a small breeze and the grass is flowing, or makes the grass flow. So the grass isn't really moving, but the ice cream drip looks pretty good. So I like this one. It's nice. I like it. We have AI Dana here, of course, and the animation looks pretty good. So you can see there's like stuff at the top of the burrito, and she like bites it, and then it kind of like goes in her mouth and disappears. Is it perfect? No. Is it like the best? No. But this is completely free and quick. We have some penguins here, and I said I wanted the penguins to slide down. What happens to the top of this penguin? I don't know. This one's pretty bad. Could be better, but trial and error, you can make this work. And you can kind of see the first image that we had. It's a very penguin themed day on the channel. Then we have this one here. Birds are flying around slowly in the sky, and the water comes up and down, so you can kind of see the water coming up and down. It's pretty good. And the lady lays back down to suntan, which doesn't happen. She's just kind of sitting there. So I think considering it got like the birds and the back, and it does look like a pretty natural scene, it's decent enough. But let's go back and let's see here. So you can see here it says 2-minute wait. So that's all we're waiting. It's 2 minutes. As I was saying, it is completely free. So the starter is free, and you get unlimited generations. It's only one task in queue and 5 gigs of storage. For $10 a month, you get unlimited generation, and you get fan speed boost. So you won't have to wait that 2 or 3 minutes. I think as this app gets more popular, the increased time, like the wait time, will increase, but right now it is really quick, so you can enjoy it and really use it quite a bit if you want. And then you can have up to 2 tasks in queue, remove the watermark, and you get a lot more storage. And apparently they're working on this studio mode version with studio credits, where you get increased resolution and a priority support, but there's like the studio thing, which is fascinating. I wonder what they're coming up with. If we go to the assets tab, we can see all the different ones we've made. We highlight over, you can hit recreate, so it'll bring up the original image, and it will allow you to adjust the prompt. We can share it, we can download it, we can see everything that is going on. If we keep scrolling up, hey, look, it's our penguin playing the guitar, and you can see he is pretty good. I like this one. This is probably my favorite that we have generated. So not a super long video, just a quick, easy way to generate unlimited animated cartoon styled videos that you can start doing right now completely free. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button. It's completely free to do, and if you enjoy AI content, I try to show you guys cool stuff like this on a daily basis. And leave a like on the video, comment down below if you enjoyed today's video, and most importantly, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.